For this balloon heart, you're just going to need one 260 twisting balloon. And I've inflated that with 6 strokes of the Qualitex hand pump. Okay, it feels a little bit full here, a little bit bulgy, a little bit tight. So I'm just going to soften the balloon just by letting a little bit of air out, okay? And then tie. Okay, so I've got a tail here, if I measure it with my fingers, of about 4 fingers. And I'm going to twist a bubble, okay? So I'm measuring bubbles of about 4 fingers or so. These don't have to be exact. That's maybe 5 fingers actually, now I measure it. So just twist that there. Okay, hold on to both ends. And then I want to make a bubble that is very similar but in size. But first just squeeze the balloon a little bit just to soften it. Then fold the balloon over here. Hold on to both sections and twist here. Okay. So we've got 2 long bubbles that are very similar in size. So I'm again going to fold this section here, hold on to that knot and nozzle and twist the 2 bubbles together and then pass that knot and nozzle through the centre. It's going to help ensure that doesn't come undone. And then we're going to make 2 more bubbles that are the same sort of size. Okay, so let's measure using our hand, about 5 fingers. Yes, that's very similar. So twist, 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 and then make another bubble to match. Okay, twist, twist, twist. And then we can twist these 2 sections together. And again, we can pass that knot and nozzle through the centre. So now squeeze your balloon and just run it through your hands just to soften it a little bit. Okay, so now pass the balloon over the top of these 2 bubbles and the balloon will nestle in this section here, this little split here. So grasp hold of it and then twist that around. Okay, so that's what you've got. Again, give your balloon a squeeze and a stretch just to soften. And we're going to do the same thing with this other section here. So just fold your balloon over the top, squeeze here, grab everything at the centre and just twist that all around. Okay, so this is what you've got. We can snip off the end here, we don't need that now. So we can just snip that off, let the air out and tie that into a knot. Okay. Now, if you're going to attach this heart to anything, it's quite often useful to leave this little section here because you can then use that to attach to your display. But I'm just going to snip it away and get rid of it. Push your fingers underneath one of the outer loops and then grasp hold of the other outer loop and feed it through underneath that loop. Okay, like this, and then just pull it through. Well, pull and push. And that pressure fits the 2 loops together. And if you want to learn how to make more balloon models like this, check out this video next.